Are you nervous about using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound on your car, especially if it's black or brand new? Don't worry, I'll show you how to use it by hand, step by step, so you don't hurt your paint. Then we'll make it shine even more with Meguiar's Ultimate Polish and finish with Ultimate Liquid Wax for a smooth, shiny, and water-repelling finish. No machine required. Okay, the most important first step is washing your car by hand to remove dirt so you don't scratch the paint or get bad results. These next steps aren't a must, but for pro-level results and longer-lasting paint, use an iron remover and a clay bar, especially if your car's a few months old or more. Here is a little trick. After washing your car, put some soap back on your paint and gently glide the edge of a credit card over it. If it's smooth, simply skip these steps. Alright, before using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, make sure to shake the bottle well. Then apply 2 to 3 pea-sized drops onto your hand applicator pad. Work in a small 2x2 section and use light to medium pressure in circular motions, doing 2 to 4 overlapping passes in a crosshatch pattern for even results. Now, keep in mind, your results will depend on your paint's condition. To show you a real-world example, I grabbed this door from a 2017 Dodge Challenger at the junkyard. It's nearly 10 years old with oxidation, deep scratches, and automatic car wash swirls, the kind that are especially tough to remove on the sides of a car. This will help you see whether hand application is enough or if you might need a machine. Stick around to see how it compares at the end of the video. If the product starts to dry out while you're working, just add a little more compound and keep going. You can do extra passes to improve your results, but remember, doing this by hand takes time and can really wear out your hands and arms. So be realistic with your pace unless you're ready for this to turn into a multi-day project. All right, now grab a clean, preferably new, high-quality microfiber towel and buff off the compound right away. Don't let it dry or it will be tough to remove. If you're working in a hot or humid climate, like I am here in Florida, it helps to shrink your working area to a 1x1 square foot area. That way, the product won't dry too fast and give you a hard time wiping it off. Let's be real. Compounding by hand is mostly meant to remove surface level oxidation and light swirls or scratches. It's not going to take out the deep stuff, especially without a machine. But don't get discouraged. That hazy look you see now is totally normal. Once we polish, you'll be surprised how much the paint comes back to life. Stick with me because the shine and clarity we're about to unlock is where the real transformation happens. Polishing is basically the same process, but it is usually much easier to work with. If you don't have a lot of scratches, it might be a good idea to just try Meguiar's Ultimate Polish first in a test spot and see if you like it. But after all that work, it might not be perfect under inspection lights, but just look at the difference in clarity. Most everyday car owners with daily drivers would absolutely love how this paint looks in sunlight and probably wouldn't even notice the scratches. But if you're very detail focused and want to remove all those scratches like this, you'll want to learn how to use a machine for true paint correction. I'm working on that video now, so be sure to check my channel and to see how I get those pro level results. Okay, if you want that awesome water beating and lasting shine with UV protection and want to stick with Meguiar's Ultimate line, make sure to finish with one of their high-quality protection products, like Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. It's really straightforward. You've already learned everything you need to apply it. Just apply a thin, even layer on the surface. Let it dry for about 5 to 10 minutes until it hazes over. Then buff it off with a clean, preferably new microfiber towel. And you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now you should feel confident using Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, polish, and liquid wax by hand. All the products I showed you are linked in the description below if you want to check them out. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And check out this next video if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. Have a great day.